Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you what to do if you have your microphone not working in your HONOR Magic8 Lite. The most important thing is that you may have your microphone just dirty and you might not hear it. Clean with non-metallic tool, preferably some brush, here this hole, and here this hole right here. Everything should be nice if you clean it, and you should be good to go. If you have still this issue, you need to do a restart of your device. Hold power and volume up, restart. Now your phone will be restarted and all the things in this phone should be restarted too. Your microphone should work then. If it still doesn't work, you need to contact device support because your device may be just broken and you need to have it fixed. Goodbye!